All right, the scale of the model of the space shuttle is 1 to 50. That's small to big. So that 1 to 50 will be the model to the actual. To find the dimensions, width and length of the model, we're going to have to do them separately. A separate proportion for width and a separate proportion for length. Both of them, though, use the 1 to 50 ratio. So that was the ratio of model to actual. So the actual width is 15. What's the dimensions of the model's width? So model to actual, the unknown model's width to the actual width. They also give us the actual length, which is 60 feet long. So again, model to actual is 1 to 50. What's the model's length when the actual length is 60? That's the proportion that we'll find that. When we cross multiply, we will know the dimensions of the cargo bay in the model because we're finding the blue parts, which are the dimensions of the model. 1 times 15 is 15. W times 50 is 50W. Dividing both sides by 50, we get that W is equal to 15 50ths. And 5 goes into 15 3 times, and 5 goes into 50 10 times. So 3/10 of a foot. For the length, 1 times 60 is 60. L times 50 is 50L. So when we divide both sides by 50, L will equal 60 divided by 50, which is 6/5, or 1 and a fifth. And that's how you find the width and the length of the cargo model.